figure, and people are looking forward to you. Looking up to you basically.
Um, well, I try to keep it as real as possible. So you either love me or hate me, right?
Yes.
समंता क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आईफा उत्सव
Hi
में?
sir, how are you?
आई एम फाइन। आईफा उत्सव में आई है, तमाम इंडस्ट्री का जश्न एक साथ मनाया जा रहा है और आपको एक खास अवार्ड मिल रहा है, उसके बारे में बात कीजिए।
Right.
वुमन ऑफ द ईयर।
Yes. Well, it has been a challenging year, and this is my first awards night in a very long time. And I didn't. There were times where I didn't think that I'd be back, but I guess what, I'm back. So it is extremely special, I think.
Amazing.
सिटाडेल हनी बनी के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड है। आप लंदन में अभी प्रियंका चोपड़ा के साथ वहाँ पे प्रमोट करे थे यूनिवर्स को, क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
I think the premiere happened.
Yes,
You
I was
watched
there
it?
at the premiere, yes.
And you
so
liked
was
it?
Anushka, yes,
Yeah,
we
I think
absolutely
the
loved it.
feedback has been pretty great, pretty
Yes.
awesome. That just gets us all kicked for the release, which is on November 7th. So
How
we're
does
very
it feel to be
excited.
carrying the legacy forward of Citadel? I mean, now it's such a worldwide series, and it's gotten so much recognition. So to kind of like carry that forward, I think especially in the Hindi language.
Right, like when I went, I guess for the premiere in London, I realized the responsibility that it carries,
Yes.
because you're part of a connected spy world, that international spy world,
Yes.
and a lot of cool people were there.
Yes,
So
and you have great chemistry with Varun as well. So I wanted to say
in the fight sequences,
yes,
actually.
that was amazing.
समांता किसका परफॉर्मेंस देखने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड है? शाहरुख भी 19 साल बाद होस्ट कर रहे हैं, किसका परफॉर्मेंस देखने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं आप?
Today, everyone, I'm just so excited to meet all my friends. It's been a while.
Amazing. Can you please give a shout out to Big Bollywood Box?
It's a special series for Netflix, and another wonderful role. Looking forward to it.
Anything in Bollywood?
Not yet.
Samantha, you're looking stunning tonight.
Thank you.
Amazing.
You look stunning.
Thank you so
I
much.
love the
Many
shades.
Thank you. Many congratulations. You will be honored with the most prestigious award, which is Woman of the Year in Indian cinema. Well, what are your thoughts on that?
I still feel I'm just getting started, though. So
Well, you always choose your roles to be bold and very powerful. Is it the personality that reflects on the roles, or is it the roles that is making you as a very strong and powerful lady?
no, I believe in fair representation of actual women in society, and most times representation in cinema is not really factual. I think women are more than just their relationships, and they need to be defined by who they are. They are world leaders, they are change makers, and it's about time that they are aptly represented on world cinema.
Well, you very seamlessly transit through series, movies, whether it's different languages, different cinemas. How do you feel about that?
I'm putting in the hard work and hoping for the best.
Thank you so
Could
much.
you